POD miss. It's your girl, Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video.
Hey guys, I'm here with an unboxing and I have some Printify wrapping paper here today to unbox and review for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in and give you a little spec. The wrapping paper, it says generic brand, but it says it's printed by Spoke Custom Products, which has a 9.7 rating. From the US, it's $6.72. Shipping $5.90. Average production time is 3.48 days. And the size is 24 by 36 or 24 by 60. Let me see if says vibrant colors, glossy finish, 90 grams paper. Care instructions: use soft, clean, dry cloth. It has the size measurements again. And that's pretty much what I have there. Let me see if there's any more detail. For the 24 by 60, the cost is $9.70, and then for the 24 by 36, the cost is $6.72. I believe I got the 24 by 36 size wrapping paper, and I don't know, because my total ended up being $13.95. I'm not sure which size I got. I'll look in there and see. I ordered my wrapping paper from Printify on November 18th and it arrived on November 29th. Let's go ahead and get into the box. Let's see if I can open this up without breaking a nail. Let's see. From the top, make it drop. That's some wet. All right, I think I got a pretty vibrant print, the leopard print. So there's nothing else in the box, and here is the print. Here, let's see, I'm gonna pull it out. It does not look as glossy as my actual print, but looks pretty good. Here is the wrapping paper. It does have, like, you know, on all wrapping papers, it has like that white edge. And then it has this white edge here. Other than that, it looks like it's fully printed to the end. The color looks good. I'm gonna try to roll it back up a little bit. It looks really clean. Maybe a few little hiccups in there someplace. Small little imperfections there, as you can see, and like the little white spots right there. But other than that, I think it looks pretty good. I guess to me it's a pretty thick wrapping paper. Matter of fact, let me see. Comparing to some wrapping paper I either got from Walmart or Dollar General, this is definitely thicker. I either got this from Dollar Tree or Walmart, and this is definitely thicker than this paper that I bought from an actual store. So in my opinion, it's pretty much good to go up there with the rest of the wrapping paper. I would say this would be something that I would do for like a specialty thing. I'll probably wrap 1 or 2 gifts for Christmas with this paper just because I love the color purple. But yeah, I'll definitely be using this wrapping paper. Give you guys another close-up look. Like I said, there are some small imperfections, the little white spots there. But other than that, it looks really good. Looks like my print. Shiny with the gloss finish, and like I said, it's pretty thick. I'm satisfied. I know there were a lot of complaints about people having the colors not line up right, but I think a lot of that accounts to your pixels and the colors that you upload as well. Hope you guys enjoy this review of the Printify wrapping paper.
Thanks so much for watching. I love you more than I love this video. Peace.